Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel, Marilette's World. On this video, we are going to restore a rice cooker. This is the current state of this rice cooker. We are going to remove the grease stain from the surface of the rice cooker using the baking soda paste. First, let's remove the inner pot. And the vent. Now let's mix some paste with baking soda and warm water. Now let's apply the paste to the surfaces of the rice cooker. You can immediately see how the paste is cleaning up the stain. We're going to put some more elbow grease to scrub the stubborn stains off. We are doing the cover of the rice cooker first. For a more stubborn stain, we can use the scrubber. And we'll be using brush to get to the crevices. Let's remove this steam drain and clean it. We will scrub inside the lid. Now we're going to apply the baking soda paste around the sides of the rice cooker. We're going to apply the baking soda paste on the bottom of the rice cooker. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next restoration.